Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 4 Larchmont Avenue, located in North Providence, Rhode Island. This is a beautifully renovated 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse style apartment here in North Providence. Renovations include a brand new kitchen, brand new flooring, fresh paint, new bathroom, and much more. We're going to begin our walkthrough of this unit in the kitchen area. Kitchen space houses your main entryway into the unit. As you can see, you got a beautiful new vinyl wood flooring that continues into the living space and continues upstairs as well. This kitchen space houses brand new countertops and cabinetry, plenty of cabinets up above and below, a beautiful modern aesthetic with this kitchen. On top of that, all new stainless steel appliances, including the medium-sized refrigerator, single bin sink, and 5-burner stove and oven. All new, completely renovated kitchen here that you have. Definitely a nice look. Beautiful walking and feeling, just giving a nice fresh new vibe to it. So that's essentially the kitchen space. Next, we'll check out the living room. Living room is connected to the kitchen. You have an additional closet, as you can see in the corner, for some storage. You also have a centralized gas heat system in this unit. This living space is perfect for maybe a smaller size sectional entertainment system, TV, what have you. You have about 3 outlets in here for electronics. Still a pretty cozy living area here. It also houses this glass sliding door that leads to a little backyard space as an addition to this apartment. So that is the living area. Over in the corner, you have a private basement with this unit, perfect for tons of storage, and it also houses your in-unit laundry hookups. But we're actually going to go now and head upstairs, which houses the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. We'll start by looking at the bedrooms first and then finish off the walkthrough with a brand new renovated bathroom. We're going to start here with the corner bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Again, beautiful new vinyl wood flooring, fresh paint. This bedroom, I would say, is perfectly suited for a standard full Excel bed set. Probably wouldn't go any larger, but a pretty good sized bedroom at that. Your own closet space, of course. My recommendation, if you're a couple or a single person, you'll probably end up using this bedroom as maybe an office and or a guest bedroom. Obviously, it's also perfect as a children's bedroom if you're looking for that as well. Next up is the master bedroom. This is definitely the larger of the 2 bedrooms. Pretty open, wide open layout here. Beautiful floors and fresh paint. This master bedroom houses 2 closets for some extra storage and is perfectly suited for a queen bed set. Could try and swing a queen or a king in here. I just think you're probably best suited for a queen bed set, allowing for other pieces of furniture. Lots of outlets in this bedroom as well for electronics. Go ahead and take a look from this side, going towards the window. Awesome. Lastly, we'll check out the bathroom. Bathroom's completely renovated, brand new tile flooring, brand new tub here with the gorgeous new tile walling around. Looks awesome. Very cleaned up bathroom. And as you go further in, you got the new sink vanity here in the corner. All new throughout. So once again, this is 4 Larchmont Avenue here in North Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on our YouTube channel as well. Thank you very much.